Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. It's your girl O. Happy holidays to you. I am not here for a long time but a good time, and I wanted to come on here and share my Christmas dining room and how I set the table for my Christmas dinner. So let's go.
What fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh.
So I wanted to share my tree first, and you guys, the music that you hear is coming from my tree. I picked up these lights from Amazon a couple years ago. They're clear, they're musical. I love it. It's a lot of nostalgia for me. I always used to have musical lights on my tree, and it's very hard to find the clear ones, but your girl did, and I love it.
Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride.
First off, look at the view that you get when you're walking from my living room into my dining room. And here's those bells that I purchased from Amazon. I am so in love with my tablescape. It is just so luxe and just so moody and so classy. So on my console in my dining room, I added this mirror that usually goes in my living room. These two mini trees from Walmart. These planters I have from TJ Maxx. The black reindeer that I got from Target for $5. They are so luxe. Also the black house. Excuse my alarm, but it has to stay there. So yep, I kept it really simple. And also the black tray from Amazon as well. And what a way to add a touch of Christmas to your already existing artwork. I just added these wreath and these reindeer I picked up many years ago from Z Gallery, and I love the look. Now let's get into the star of the show is my tablescape. These plates came from Sam's Club, and I love these black matte plates. The napkin rings, and the gold flatware came from Amazon. Wine glasses from Walmart. Black houses and black Christmas tree candle holders are from Target, and I just used some inexpensive garland and just try to zhuzh it up, and that's it. Oh, and those placemats I hauled previously from Walmart. And that's my tablescape. I added this garland and these ornaments from this black velvet ribbon to give my chandelier a touch of glam, and I love the way it looked. So you guys, what's on your menu for Christmas? I went outside and actually barbecued today. Yum! It was a little cold. I put my coat on, my boots on, and your girl got out there and got busy. So leave me a comment down below some things that you may have ate for Christmas or Christmas Eve. And I hope you guys are enjoying your holiday season as much as I am. And also, you guys, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for your girl, and continue watching the video. Let's get into this tree. I end up loving it. I was not going to decorate it. I was going to leave it sparse, but I put those velvet poinsettias and those velvet ornaments, and I just added some eucalyptus garland, and it came out so cute. You guys like, comment, share, and definitely subscribe for more videos from me. And then till the next time, see you later, guys.